Oh yeah, yet. Okay, start now.
Here we are in
Cebu City, Philippines,
and here we are staying with a sister-in-law's, on a sister-in-law's compound where they built up everything. Just it's almost a squatter's dwellings, but it's not squatters because technically their family owns the property, so it's not technically squatters, but it's just a little higher than squatters' residences here.
yeah, I have two brothers living here, so we have to go and check the place. And I hope you like it. I know it's so fun over here because it's so many people living here. So let's go.
So we're gonna go through the business. Hi guys.
So it's Ekibal Video Karahag House.
Hello.
Yeah. This is my sister-in-law making her business early in the morning. There.
Yeah, cook all day.
Yes. And this is the small mini restaurant. Hi.
My wife tells me that this was much nicer before the typhoon a year ago, but since the typhoon, it hasn't been built up properly because her husband is in what country?
Saudi Daman.
Saudi, making money for the family and stuff, and so he's not here to fix it up again and make it nice again. Here is a dirty kitchen with the smokestack. They just took down the leaves on the one tree yesterday. Say it what? That this is a dirty kitchen. This is a dirty kitchen. You see they're accumulating sticks for the next time they use it for their dirty kitchen. They have a thing here where they just put some wood down, start firing, cook their food on top of it. Huh, is that oil? That might be oil for starting the fire.
It's a gas.
No, probably not gas.
It's a gas. We use that. I know it.
Gas, not oil?
I'm just no. We're not using
Oh
oil.
my gosh. That's a garbage. Somebody threw away rice. How can you throw away life here? Apparently they throw away life here.
Okay, explain.
Oh yes, this is my brother-in-law's house, Ben, Rovinson, Ben, and he built this house for his wife and family while he is doing business here, just so he has something close to the business, which is the store that you may have seen already. And it's really well built. He does a good job. It's well built for a temporary house that will be destroyed someday, probably, to sell the property or something like that. So when I say well built, I don't mean typhoon strength, but I mean reasonably comfortable, but not comfortable by American and European standards, but nonetheless it's clean inside and comfortable that way. And I learned something special. The fans on the ceiling, the fans actually, you want to show the fans? Is that what you want to do? Okay. Show the fans. I learned that the fans going fast like this stop the mosquitoes. The mosquitoes can't handle the wind, and so it just drives them away, and so it's safe for people here underneath the fans. It's also very nice because the humidity here is just like in a hot shower that's all wet and humid and hot, where you get out of the gym from exercising and you go take a hot shower and you're still not stopping sweating after that. So it's an experience. So Ben built this place with his skills, and it is solidly built, and it's well built for what it is. It's like a glorious playhouse. And this is the toilet shower area with a small toilet that's sits about 15 inches tall, so it's really low. You still have to squat if you're going to sit on it. And the water right there, where they use the bucket to pour the water on yourself for cleaning your backside.
We call it tabo. Tabo, yeah. We need tabo.
For cleaning your backside, and also for showering. There's a hand tabo in there for pouring water on yourself, for showering and washing and such. Yes. In the kitchen, they bought themselves a new stove when they put it in, a gas propane stove. Oh, the stairway. There's the stairway, which is so steep, it's really more of a ladder. It has a ladder. You really have to hold on to the stairs and such to go up it, because it's really quite steep. And you can see the steps are pretty high between each one of them also. So it's higher, bigger steps. It's like 15 inches again, larger than standard size steps, American standard size steps. Okay, this is my wife coming down the stairs ladders with like 15-inch steps downward, and the steps are only like 5 inches wide, and here she is, and she's carrying stuff.
And I'm not scared. I walk the staircase like professional.
Oh, like professional. Rina is going up the stairs now with their 15-inch steps and heights and 5-inch wide. She's going up. Too easy for her, but she's smaller than me, a lot smaller than me. Of course, she's only 5'1" instead of my 5'8", and she's only 15 pounds, and I'm 230 right now. Oh, here she comes again. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed our video. See, that's a pretty nice house there. There's the tires on the roof that when the house is burned down, you get all that black. Oh, and like this. When these places burn, tires catch on fire and such. Hello, chicken who's walking freely. I don't believe in big chickens here. Good day.
Yes, afternoon.
Good afternoon. Ah, there's the basketball thing for the basketball players. The next Michael Jordans.
Michael Jordan.
Jordan is there. Here, Jordan.